Welcome back to this course. In this lesson, I will guide you on how to insert windows into your projects. First, we are going to load an Autodesk family in the same way as we did for the doors. Here I click in No Results and select Windows. There are lots of them here, and some actually beautiful. Okay, this time I recommend you to use this specific family, Windows DBL Swept Head. Now we are going to use exact measurements from the walls, and if you use a different family, probably the sizes won't be the same. I'm going to activate the command window, click on the family, which is this new one, 1360 mm of width and 910 of height. Then I'm going to place the windows according to the example. Let's place the pointer on the wall at the side below and move the window until this distance is 1100 mm. Click. Then do the same for the window on the next room, but this time the distance at the left should be 500. There is a second window on the room, and again 500 mm from the wall. And keep doing the same for all the others. In this situation, the window has to be in the middle, but you can see the distances to the sides show us 407.5 instead of 408. This happened because the dimensions are set to not display decimal cases. Moving on, you can insert the remaining windows by yourself, and when you finish, just press Escape. An important tip: when you insert a window on the wall, there are two positions. Be aware that you place it correctly, as the window itself is usually closer to the outside of the building. If it's on the wrong side, just select the window and click on this arrow to flip it.